Night's go from here, you can hear the night train passing. That's a sound somebody makes when they're getting away, leaving next week's hanging jury far behind them. Prisoner of the choices they've made. Night train. Ice cube in a dark dream shines like starlight. The moon is floating somewhere out at sea. I'm an island in the blur of noise and color. Alcatraz, St. Helena, Patmos in the shadow deep. Night train. Edging sand, a temporary refuge that somebody else can stand. Endless need that binds us like the foresight of a blood oath. We'll wear it down, dissolve it, recombine it. Die here, they do it every day. It doesn't take much effort, it goes against the grain. And the ultimate forgetfulness of violence sweeps the landscapes like the headlights of a train. Night train. Ice cube in the dark stream shines like starlight. Starlight shines like gas houses in dark hair. And the mind high tumbles out along the steel track, mixing every shadow with its stare. Night train. The absence of a vision, there are nightmares. And in the absence of a glass, there's cancer, whose banner waves over places and mean streets. And the rhythm of the night train is a mantra.